joining me today is the business partner at Ayala Land. Madam, pakilala ka ng konti. Very short and sweet lang.
Hello everyone, I am M. Santa Ana.
Why is it Ayala Land?
Why Ayala Land? Because we are the most largest, most experienced developer in the Philippines. We are offering hindi lang lote at bahay, pati condominium. And we have 5 brands na po pwedeng ma-tailor fit ang need ng bawat kliyente sa kung ano yung budget nila.
Foreigner ako. Pwede ba akong mag-avail or makapag-own ng unit, ng condo unit sa Pilipinas?
Pwede, hindi lang Pilipino ang maaaring bumili ng property sa Pilipinas. Pero kapag foreign nationals, kailangan ang bibilin lang nila ay condominium properties.
No problem po. Even if we cannot meet face-to-face, kahit saang lupalop po kayo ng bansa, we can do Zoom meeting online and you can have your reservations online.